Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to make a little update video just on Roblox. So I wanted to say that I have a Discord little thing you guys can follow me on. I'm working on making it better, and yeah, but my Discord name is ITZ_London, and my Discord hashtag number is 1438. So I want you guys to send me a friend request on Discord, and I will get back with you guys. But I just wanted to say that to me it's kind of hard to make a group and stuff. There's a lot of things you have to do in order. You have to make rules and stuff. You're gonna have to make people who can be able to do things, and I just want this to be kid friendly, and I want you guys all to have fun and to be happy, because you guys never know. If you guys are my OGs, you guys never know. I might actually friend you guys. One day I could get famous, and then you guys you were my OG. You were with me. So I just want that to happen. I really hope I could get famous. I would not apply for monetization because I don't want to make videos just so I can get money. I don't want to do that. I just want to make videos because it kind of makes me happy to do videos and do all these other videos. I just want to put that out there. So without further ado, I just wanted to say this is it. This is what I wanted to do. So hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.